Have you ever wondered how climate change might affect the lives of Arctic birds? A question that sounds remote, yet it is closer to home than you think. The Arctic, a pristine white wilderness, is home to a myriad of feathered inhabitants, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this harsh environment. From the majestic snowy owl to the dainty snow bunting, these birds have endured and thrived in the Arctic's frigid climes for millennia. But today, these Arctic avians are facing a foe they cannot outfly or outwit: climate change. As temperatures rise, ice melts, and habitats change, these birds are finding it increasingly difficult to survive. The Arctic tern's epic migration, the ivory gull's scavenging lifestyle, the puffin's cliffside nesting, all are threatened by a warming world. As climate change accelerates, these birds are facing unprecedented challenges. And believe it or not, their plight is deeply intertwined with our own. But more on that in the scenes to come. Take the ivory gull, a symbol of the Arctic's pristine wilderness, for instance. This elegant bird with its snow-white plumage and jet-black eyes is a master of the Arctic cold. But recently, the ivory gull population has seen a severe decline, and the culprit is none other than climate change. You see, the ivory gull's survival is intricately linked to the sea ice. It forages for food in the cracks and crevices of the ice, hunting for fish and invertebrates. But as the Arctic warms, the ice is melting faster, leaving less room for the ivory gull to find its food. This not only affects the bird's feeding habits, but also its reproduction. And so, as the Arctic warms, the ivory gull's survival hangs in the balance. We're not just losing a bird, we're losing an integral part of the Arctic's unique ecosystem. Another Arctic resident, the spectacled eider, shares a similar fate. This distinctive bird, easily recognized by the glasses pattern around its eyes, is facing increasing challenges due to our warming planet. The spectacled eider's nesting habits are being disrupted as a result of the changing climate. Traditionally, these birds have relied on the predictability of the Arctic's cold climate for nesting. However, the warming temperatures are leading to earlier snowmelt, resulting in nesting sites being exposed too early, leaving eggs and chicks vulnerable to predators. Furthermore, the spectacled eider's molting process, which is crucial for its survival, is also being affected. The increase in temperature is causing a shift in the timing of this process, leading to difficulties in foraging and survival. Additionally, the availability of their primary food sources, such as mollusks and crustaceans, is being threatened by the changing climate. The spectacled eider's struggle is a clear indication of the profound impact of climate change on Arctic ecosystems. But why should we care about these birds, you might ask? Well, the fate of these birds is intrinsically linked to the health of the Arctic ecosystem, and by extension, the well-being of our planet. You see, these birds are more than just inhabitants of the icy north. They play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity, which is the foundation of a healthy, functioning ecosystem. Think of biodiversity as a finely tuned orchestra. Each species, like each instrument, contributes to the overall harmony. Remove one, and the entire composition is affected. Arctic birds, in this grand symphony of life, are key players. Their decline is a telltale sign of environmental distress. What's more, these birds are like canaries in a coal mine for climate change. They're indicators of environmental health, their struggles mirroring the larger issues at play. If they're in trouble, it means our planet is too. The plight of these birds is a stark warning. Our planet is changing, and not for the better. So what can we do to help, you might ask? The answer lies in our daily choices and actions. By reducing our carbon footprint, we can actively contribute to the health of our planet. This can be as simple as choosing to walk or bike instead of using a car, or being conscious about our energy consumption at home. Additionally, we can support renewable energy. This means advocating for wind, solar, and other sustainable energy sources, which help slow down climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. But our efforts shouldn't stop there. Let's use our voices to influence climate policies. By voting for leaders who prioritize the environment, and by advocating for legislation that protects our planet, we are not just saving the Arctic birds, but also ensuring a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Remember, every action counts. Together, we can make a difference for Arctic birds and for our planet. Thank you for watching Arctic Birds on Thin Ice, a climate change crisis. We hope this video has shed light on the challenges our feathered friends in the Arctic face due to climate change. If you found this video informative and would like to learn more about climate change and its impact on wildlife, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Your support not only helps us raise awareness about these important issues, but it also contributes to the collective effort of protecting our planet. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us in making a difference. Together, we can help protect our planet and its incredible wildlife. Thank you for your support.